Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will take a look at installing the server functionality within Doc xPress. On the first screen, you will be given a choice where you would like the installation files stored. You will also be able to send feature usage to us. We will not be collecting your user data, only information about how you use the solution, so that we can concentrate our development efforts on the features that are being utilized the most. After you check the box stating that you agree to the license terms, you can click the Next button. On the next screen, you can decide where you would like to install the server components. If you are intending to install all of the components on the same server, single server installation, you can click on the Next button to continue. However, if you would like to install the Doc xPress server and the Workbench server on different machines, you can click on the drop-down arrow next to the Workbench server and select the Feature will be installed when required option, multiple machine installation. For purposes of this demo, I will install all the components on one machine. On the next screen, you will be prompted for the Workbench server URL. You can also select a permission for running the application pool here. The next screen asks for the name of the server and a database name for Doc xPress server to use. Please note that on any screen where you are asked to provide a server and database name, you will be asked what type of authentication you would like to use. I will just leave this as Windows Authentication and click the Next button. The following screen will show you the permissions that will be used for the BI xPress Web Services web application. Next, you will be asked to provide the name of the server and database for use with BI xPress. You are then presented with a screen that shows you the permission that will be used to run the Doc xPress Web Services application. The next screen will ask you if you would like to use a single database or up to 4 separate databases for use with Doc xPress server. I will just choose a single database for this demonstration. Next, you will be asked to provide the name of the server and database for use with Doc xPress. The next screen will ask you what account you would like to use for the Doc xPress Data Handler service. Next, you will be able to choose a path for the Doc xPress templates, Doc xPress output, and the CHM compiler application. I will leave these at their default locations. Finally, you will be asked to provide the name of the server and database for use with Legitest server. You can now click the Install button to begin the installation. Once the installation has completed, you can click the Finish button. You will then need to restart the server for the changes to take place. Also, the server will need a few minutes to self-configure before being ready. If you have any questions about this information or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentryon.com. Thanks for watching.